Infomap Solutions Private Limited, a company retreat holds immense potential to rejuvenate and strengthen the bond among employees. When a company takes all its employees on a delightful bus ride to a resort, it becomes an unforgettable experience filled with joy, camaraderie, and inspiration. This small essay explores the profound impact of such an excursion, highlighting how it fosters unity, boosts morale, and promotes a sense of belonging among the employees. The bus ride itself becomes a microcosm of teamwork and unity. As the employees board the bus, the atmosphere is charged with excitement and anticipation. The vibrant decorations and lively music set the tone for an enjoyable journey. Conversations flow, laughter fills the air, and employees share anecdotes and experiences, creating an environment of camaraderie. The bus becomes a space where colleagues connect on a personal level, transcending work-related barriers. Through games, trivia challenges, and shared laughter, the employees strengthen their bonds, fostering a sense of unity and teamwork that will extend throughout the retreat and beyond. Welcome to our DS Nature Retreat, where breathtaking scenery meets exhilarating adventures. Nestled in the heart of nature, this extraordinary resort offers a heaven for thrill seekers and those seeking relaxation in a captivating ambience. As you step into Nature Retreat, you are immediately enveloped in a warm and inviting atmosphere. The resort's rustic charm and modern amenities create the perfect blend of comfort and natural beauty. Adventure enthusiasts will find a paradise of activities to engage in. Strap on your harness and soar through the treetops on our thrilling zipline course, surrounded by breathtaking panoramic views. Best experience in this resort is team building games.
That's great. I was waiting target man ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾರು ಕೈ ಎತ್ತಿದಿಲ್ವ ಅಂತ, but ಅವನು Heaven.
Thank you.
YouTube channel is? That's nice. Status on me also, bro. Yes, girls.
Team building games are powerful tools that promote collaboration, communication, and trust among team members. Through engaging activities and challenges, these games encourage individuals to work together towards a common goal, fostering strong bonds and enhancing teamwork. They provide a fun and interactive platform for teams to grow, learn, and succeed together.
I'm watching. That's okay. Until you won't disconnect, you can play.
Come on, almost. Abhi, Devika, idkole. They have stuck it there only. Gitika, aram se, Sunila. They have stuck it there only. Vega. Hey, wait. Right shoulder. Right shoulder. Good pace. Tangled faster. They tangled. Shoulder. Finish it. Any poses?
Indulge your taste buds with the finest culinary delights at our exquisite restaurant. Offering a fusion of local and international cuisines, our talented chefs ensure that every meal is a feast for the senses. The team's enjoyment at the resort is unparalleled. From the moment they arrive, the relaxing atmosphere, beautiful surroundings, and luxurious amenities create an atmosphere of pure delight. Whether lounging by the pool, indulging in delicious meals, or participating in thrilling activities, the team revels in the shared experiences, forging lasting memories and strengthening their camaraderie.
Three cheers to Infomap! Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
RD's Nature Retreat offers an unforgettable escape into nature, where adventure and relaxation seamlessly blend. Whether you seek the thrill of outdoor pursuits or the serenity of natural beauty, our resort promises an experience that will leave you breathless and rejuvenated. Come and experience the magic of RD's Nature Retreat.